Creating a compelling one-pager on Canva is a game changer for professionals, marketers, and creatives alike. In just a minute and a half, let's walk through how to craft a standout one-page document that grabs attention and delivers your message effectively. Start with a template or custom dimensions. Begin by selecting a template that aligns with your purpose, be it a product overview, event flyer, or company summary. Canva offers a plethora of customizable one-pager templates to kickstart your design. Canva, alternatively, you can set custom dimensions to tailor the layout to your specific needs. Clarify the purpose of your one-pager. Are you introducing a new product, summarizing a report, or promoting an event? Understanding your objective will guide the content and design choices. Ensuring relevance and clarity, your headline should be bold and attention-grabbing. Use concise language that communicates the main idea and entices the reader to continue. Consider incorporating a hook or a compelling statement that resonates with your audience. Organize content with clear sections. Break down your information into digestible sections. Introduction. Briefly introduce the topic or purpose. Key points. Highlight the main features, benefits, or takeaways. Visuals. Incorporate relevant images, icons, or charts to support your message. Call to action. Encourage the reader to take the next step, whether it's visiting a website, signing up, or contacting you. Utilize Canva's grids and alignment tools to maintain consistency and balance in your layout. Choose a cohesive color scheme and fonts. Select a color palette that reflects your brand or the tone of your message. Stick to 2 to 3 primary colors to maintain visual harmony. For fonts, choose legible styles and maintain consistency throughout the document. Canva's Brand Kit feature can assist in keeping your design aligned with your brand guidelines. Optimize for readability. Ensure your one-pager is easy to read by using appropriate font sizes, line spacing, and contrast. Avoid cluttering the page with excessive text or graphics. Remember, less is more when it comes to effective one-pager design. Download and share once satisfied with your design. Download the one-pager in your preferred format, PDF for printing or PNG/JPEG for digital sharing. Canva also allows you to share your design directly via email or social media platforms. By following these steps, you can create a professional and impactful one-pager using Canva that effectively communicates your message and engages your audience.